Okay guys, we have this Audi A4 Allroad Quattro 2015. It's a little bit rainy day today, yet I did wash it. I hope you have fun. Let's see the boot. Shit. Okay, this is the boot. I did put my keys here to not be noisy, and let's go in. It's a really lovely car. This actually is mine. And there are some things that should be changed. For example, I have to change the brakes. The brakes are, well, they still have life in them, but they're kind of squeaky. And we don't like that, don't we? So this is the last year of this vehicle, of this car. It is 2015 Audi A4. They start producing them in 2009, and they called B8, and they start B8.5, I think, in 2013 or 2012, if I'm not mistaken. And they end up in 2015. This is the last year, 2015. Let's not go that fast. It's the facelift. It has really beautiful LEDs. Exactly, this vehicle doesn't have all the extras, but it has enough. It doesn't have leather, as you can see. I kind of missed the leather, but yeah, you got used to it. Sadly, it doesn't have the heated seats, or wind, or how do you call it, blow the seats. It doesn't have it. It has probably the most important extra for me. It has cruise control. Just touch of a button, it's right here. It's very convenient, very easy to get used to it. At the beginning, I was confusing it with the turn signal, but not anymore. So yeah, it's a 7-speed gearbox. It's very fluent. It has sport and direct, or whatever it is, summer, and I don't know, regimes. And it has manual. Let's go for manual. Some vehicles have to go up, you have to pull down. On this one, I have to push forward. Although, if you keep too long on high RPM, it changes. It changes itself. It helps you, still kind of helps you. I can turn off the traction control, but I'm not doing those things. In a way, with 4x4 Quattro, especially Quattro, you know, you cannot have fun. But you're safe on the road, really. I was trying it. I tried it up in the mountains on snow, and you cannot go sideways. These Volvos, like those Volvos. And if you see in, I forgot. I don't use that manual. If you see my last video, my previous video with the Range Rover Evoque, go see it. To be honest, I don't like the Range Rover, but we're here now for the Audi and we'll talk about Audi. But for me, this Audi, it's glasses under the Range Rover Evoque, but still I prefer this car. To be honest, it's really beautiful. I liked it when I saw it. I bought it a year ago and I like it even more now. It is really, really beautiful. It stands out. You don't see more often one like this. So there you go, so. And again, cruise control. It doesn't have, it cannot read the distance to keep distance from the vehicle in front of you, but I think that the vehicle up till 2015 they don't have this option. I think they have it after 2015, and I don't know the number of the vehicle there. Is it B9? If it's B9 or whatever it is, write down the section, please. I'm sorry, I forgot about the the windshield. I've heard somewhere that by law, if there's rain, a little rain like this, the windshield wipers must be on. Go on. Go on. Go on, mate. The glove box is big enough. Or for some people it's not big enough. It's never big enough. So it's a 2.0 diesel. Again, it doesn't kick when you push it, not really. But this is a car that you're trying to fit everything in one. And I tell you this, they really managed. It is beautiful, it's practical, it fits a lot of luggage. You can put on top of it. It's Allroad, and Audi system, Allroad Quattro system is, I mean, it is magnificent. I think it's arguably the best in the world for traction control. Okay, guys, enough for today. Next time, let's see what car we're gonna drive. Please subscribe. Well, yeah, subscribe, like, comment, and yeah, see you next time.